Hi, my name is Julia and I'm a teacher at Greenbrook Montessori School. I teach in the green room and today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy boats that float from simple household items. We have plastic straws and toothpicks, aluminum foil, a little tape, a few coins for our experiments, or some paper and Post-its, and that's all we need. First, we're going to start with the aluminum foil. You can see you can make the boats any size. I have a large rectangular one in here, a small square one here, and some smaller rectangular boats over there. You want to make sure that you turn up the edges no matter what you do, because you don't want your boat to sink. So you need to keep the water out. So I would go around and make sure I would fold them over maybe 2 times and then kind of pop them up like this, so no water gets in your ship. Then you need a mast, which is the pole that holds the sail. Because this is a small ship, I am going to be using a toothpick. For the larger ships, I used a straw that I cut down to size. So I'm going to secure this with a tiny bit of tape like this. Make sure my edges are all up because we don't want any boating accidents. And then what about a sail? Well, it's a pretty small boat, so I cut this Post-it in half, and then I cut it in half again to make a smaller sail. And I'm just going to use a little bit of tape to secure my Post-it onto my mast to make the sail. Just like this. There we have a small sailing ship. I made some smaller ones over here, and we'll get to that in a minute. I'm floating my ships today in my kitchen in a salad bowl or in a baking dish. You could also use a dish pan or any other container that you want. I thought it would be super fun in the bathtub. Something to think about. For our first experiment, we're going to see how many coins can our boat hold before it sinks. I'm going to start by using these quarters, which is my largest coin here. I made sure that I washed my coins after I took them out of my wallet. So here we go. Well, I'm putting lots of quarters. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 quarters. Whoopsie. There's a penny. And it's still floating. Look at that. But what will happen if I put them all on one side, I wonder? Here's my 10 quarters. I'm going to pile them way over here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. My ship sunk. Something to think about the next time you get on a boat. How do you want to distribute everyone who's in there? Now, in this pan, we have our 2 sailing ships. And I was thinking it would be fun to have a sailing regatta or a race. But it's not very windy in my kitchen. How am I going to do that? I made a small paper fan by folding the paper. Do you remember how to do that? We fold back and forth with our paper this way. Increase, and this way increase, and then when you get it all folded, you can secure it with a piece of tape. It would be really beautiful if you colored your paper before you started folding it too. Or you could use your own wind power and blow. So let's have a race. Which one do you think is going to win? The one on this side or the one on that side? I'm going to try blowing one and fanning the other. Let's see how it goes. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Oh my gosh, my blowing won. I think I should have maybe fanned a little faster. There are lots of variables in science. Have fun with this experiment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everyone.